on the TNT trail in the Enterprise South Nature Park. It is next to the Volkswagen manufacturing plant east of Chattanooga, and I heard about it, and what makes it so unique is the fact that there are ammunition bunkers from World War II that you can actually go into. So I'm here. I've seen 2 bunkers, but they've been closed, so I've just taken pictures. But the trails themselves are also really nice. That's probably about the roughest section so far. This is supposed to be an intermediate trail, and those rocks are about the most difficult thing I've had to go through so far. Again, trails are maintained really well. They are unidirectional, so I thought I'd try to get a glimpse of what the trails look like, and then I'm hoping to find a bunker that's open. So stay tuned. So far the trails have been marked very well. They're supposed to be 15 miles of single track. I am hoping to do all of that today before I make my drive back to Atlanta. So, but trails have been really fun. Some fun downhill, of course some uphill climbing, as you would expect. But it is just a really pretty time of year, early spring. So, okay. So stay tuned, and hopefully I'll find an open bunker to get on video here soon. Hey, I found a bunker that I can ride through. It says bunker number 91. So here you go. 19 people. Oh my goodness. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, it's circular. It's a dome. Gonna do a little circle around it. Echo! When you feel like a kid. Okay, folks, that was it. That was the bunker you can ride through at Enterprise South Nature Park, east of Chattanooga. Okay. I guess I like the simple things, and that was really unique. So I thought that was cool. I'll finish up riding.